Hello, thank you for checking out Mr. Ware's videos, and today we're looking at graphing lines from equations. So let's take a look. Alright, so we're going to graph lines from equations, and here you have an equation. It's in slope-intercept form, okay? And that slope-intercept form is y is equal to, hang on a second, y is equal to mx plus b, okay? And we're going to take the slope and the y-intercept and use that to graph the line. Okay, so I'm going to zoom in here. And first I'm going to start with the y-intercept. So the y-intercept here is -4. So I'm going to come on down to -4 on the y-axis and make a point. Alright, the next thing I'm going to do is find the slope, which is 3/4. And remember, that's rise over run. Okay, so that's going to go up 3 and over 4. Now remember, if it's negative, go down. So I'm going to go back to my point, -4, and go up 1, 2, 3, and then go to the right, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so I'm going to show you that again. That's 1, 2, 3, and then over 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, and my final step is to just draw a line. Put arrows on both ends to show the line continues on and on. Alright, let's take a look at another example. Okay, so on this one, it's y is equal to 2x minus 1. Now notice you got a whole number for the coefficient instead of a fraction, or for the slope here. So you could make it a fraction just by putting it over 1. Okay, so again, I'm going to start with the y-intercept, which is -1, and come down on the y-axis down to -1. Make a point. Then I'm going to do the rise over run. It's a rise of 2 and a run of 1. This is for the slope. So I'm going to come back down to -1 here and go up 2 and over 1. Okay, and I'm going to show you that again. Up 1, 2, and over 1. Alright, and then draw a line. And that's it.